Alright, so once your surface has been polished to the desired effect that you want before the coating goes on, you need to make sure that you clean it properly with some acetone. Make sure you've taped your area off nicely and retaped it again after you've polished it up. What you're going to do is with your microfiber cloth that gets included in your set, you'll wipe the entire area clean, making sure that there's absolutely no polish residue anywhere and that you have no more dirt left on the surface that you're going to coat. Alright. Especially important to get in all the edges to make sure that there's no residue from the polish. The polish that's used is a non-silicone based polish to make sure that the coating can adhere to the surface below. Okay, once you've wiped everything down, the third step then is to make sure that you use dishwashing liquid on a soft sponge. You're going to then sponge the area down to make sure that the acetone doesn't leave any film on the surface that you're wanting to coat. Okay, so once you've wiped your surface down with acetone and you've made sure that you've cleaned every single corner along all the edges, you're going to take your soft microfiber cloth and you're going to wipe over that to make sure that there's absolutely no residue or film left from the acetone that you've wiped clean with. Alright, as you can see now, we've got the desired surface that we want before coating. We've wiped it down with acetone, we've given it a wash with some dishwashing liquid, and then we've taken the soft microfiber towel and wiped away any excess that was left on the surface. The surface, as you can see now, is super shiny and ready for coating. Alright, so in your kit included is your ceramic, which is there, the CeremTech Royal coat. What we have here is our application sponge. What you're going to do is, in the beginning, just remember that this product, a little bit goes a very long way. So what we'll do in the beginning is we'll just touch a little bit of the product from the syringe onto the sponge, like this. As you can see, that's a little bit. Now what we're going to do from there is we're going to do the application. From side to side, making sure that you get every corner needed and that every part is coated. I've made sure that the product has been applied liberally over all the areas. You can see there's a small little rainbowing all over the area. So what we're going to do, these are now high spots. These high spots need to be buffed out with your microfiber rag that you've been given, the soft one. So we'll start from the top and we'll move down to the bottom. Making sure once again to get all the little corners that there's no high spots. Alright, as you can see, we've now buffed the surface clean. The ceramic is now embedded in the surface and everything is perfect.